Ever wondered how to easily find and access your headers in WordPress? Whether you're organizing your content or fine-tuning your site's design, knowing how to view your headers can save you a lot of time and confusion. Let's walk through it step by step. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, head over to the site editor. This is the environment where you can control many aspects of your website's appearance and functionality. After you've entered the editor, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option called Document Overview. Click on it. This will open a side panel showing a summary of all the elements on your current page. Now, this is where the magic happens. Inside the Document Overview, click on the Outline tab. The outline neatly organizes every heading on your page into a clear, easy-to-read list. This gives you an instant snapshot of your content structure, from H1 titles down to H3 or H4 subheadings. This view isn't just for show. It helps you quickly identify how your content is structured, find specific sections, and troubleshoot any header-related issues. For example, if your headings aren't displaying properly or your layout feels cluttered, this is a place to start. And that's it. A quick, simple way to access and manage your headers in WordPress. By regularly reviewing them through the Outline tab, you can keep your website's content organized, your SEO structure clean, and your visitors' experience smooth. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more tips to get the best out of your WordPress site. See you in the next one.